Tired of your Gamma AI slides looking dull with that default black text? You know the look. It's flat, it's boring, and it just doesn't pop the way you want it to. The good news is, changing that is incredibly easy, and it makes a huge difference. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to highlight your text, find the color picker, and choose your perfect shade. Let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is select the text you want to change. This is the most important step, because nothing happens if you don't tell Gamma exactly what you're working on. Go ahead and click and drag your cursor over that block of text to highlight it. You'll see it turn blue, just like when you're selecting text in any other document. Make sure you get it all, the whole word or sentence you want to customize. I've been using Gamma for quite a while now, and I see people skip this step all the time, then wonder why the color options are grayed out. So take that split second to highlight first. Once you've got your text highlighted, now look up at the toolbar that appears right above your slide. You'll see a bunch of icons, and the one we care about looks like a capital A with a colored bar underneath it. That's the text color icon. Go ahead and click it. Now, when you hover over it, it should say text color. This is your gateway to all the color options, and it's right where you'd expect it to be in most design tools. So click that icon, and a color palette will pop open. Finally, here comes the fun part. You get to choose your color. The palette will show you a set of default colors, usually a nice selection of common shades. You can click any of those to apply it instantly. But here's the real trick. If you want something more specific, look for the custom color option. Sometimes it looks like a little eyedropper or a plus sign. You can type in a hex code if you have one, or just drag around the color wheel until you find the exact shade you're looking for. And here's a pro tip I use all the time. If your presentation has a brand color or a specific theme, try pulling a color from one of your images. It makes everything look incredibly cohesive and professional. Once you find the color you like, just click it, and bam, your text changes instantly. And that's it. From boring default black to a vibrant custom color that makes your presentation stand out. You can do this for headlines, body text, even individual bullet points. Just remember, highlight your text first, click that text color icon, and pick your shade. You will be amazed at how much more polished and engaging your slides look with just this one simple change. Thanks so much for watching, and happy presenting!